Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this this tiny box. It's tiny. So it's all easy because I just can tear it.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy to open. Oh no, it's not easy.
Scissors.
It needs scissors. So I'll cut it from here, yeah?
Yeah, be careful not to cut the thing inside.
Okay. So let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh wow. Oh my gosh! This is Kick Ass. This is Kick Ass and Kick Ass 2. Oh, so
One and two.
so this is 1 and 2. Oh
Yeah.
wow, I love this. This is nice and funny. It's very
Full of
good.
action.
Yeah, and full
Full of kick-ass action. The only problem is it's second hand. I didn't have it new.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Second hand?
they had them new but separately. Each film separately, which cost more than £10.
So this is so
And I prefer
so it's
to have
two
it.
in there.
Yeah, I don't normally like buying second hand just in case they're scratched or
Oh.
damaged in any way, the boxes and the actual discs. I have to check the discs, make sure there are no scratches.
So this is the Kick-Ass one. So this is
Yeah.
when she was younger in here.
Yeah, that was slightly better, I thought, the first film.
Yeah, I think this is nicer.
The beginnings of both films were not that good. Takes a while to get going. But once they do, then they're very good. Full of action.
Yeah.
Over the top violence.
So that's her name,
A
Chloe
bit of
Grace.
comedy.
Yeah. I like her. She's so nice. She's
Yeah,
amazing.
she was very good.
Yeah, she is amazing. I
Have a
like
look at the disc inside as well.
let's see.
Especially the actual recording side.
So that's a recording side.
I think so. So take it out gently without putting any fingerprints. Press the center.
Yeah, I did. It's okay. There's no scratches. So it's good.
Yeah, and what about the other side?
Yeah.
Because,
So this is the front thing.
As
This
long
is
as,
like a mirror. I can mirror.
as long as there are no scratches.
Yeah. So far so good.
Yeah.
So okay. Put it.
Push it near the center. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is what inside this one. Kick Ass. This is universal, but it's for 15 years. Universal is 15 years.
15 Universal is the company that released it.
Oh, see.
Universal Films.
Oh, Universal. Universal, that is the film opera.
The company.
The company. Oh, see. All right.
And who's this young man here?
Hello, young man.
So open number 2 as well. Actually, that's
Okay.
not scratched.
So this is the. So this is the. So this is
Is
the
it loose
Kick Ass
inside? Be
number
careful
2.
when you're opening.
Yeah, it sounds
Keep it flat.
like. It sounds like. No, it's still there. It's still there. No, it's not. It's not loose.
Yeah, is there a scratch on there? Can see something.
I think
I
it's
think
good.
it's a fingerprint.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's a bit dusty. So that is at the back of this disc. Oh, so I can see some silhouette writing in here in the disc. Silhouette.
Put it the other way now.
Oh my gosh, baby. So I put it the other way
That
around.
way.
Like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, it's always been that way. I don't know why they put them the wrong way now.
Okay, so that is inside. So this is Blu-ray, guys. Blu-ray.
Alright, yes.
So Witty, Wild, and Wild. So that's... So the one who made this story is very good. Get very good imagination. I like the story. It's so nice. So that's it. So the actor here,
Teenagers
Aaron,
becoming
yeah.
superheroes.
Yeah, superheroes. Aaron Taylor Johnson, Christopher Mintz Plus, Chloe Grace Moretz, and Jim Carrey. Also, who is Jim Carrey there?
Okay. He's the sort of middle-aged one. Joins them for a while.
Ah, I know. Yeah,
They look
I
different.
know.
Because
Yeah, he
quite
looks.
a lot of makeup.
He looks different. I didn't recognize him either. And when I saw the name here, then I remember. So that is him. That is Jim Carrey.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, this is amazing, guys. Try to watch this, guys. It's amazing.
Watch the first one first.
Yeah, the first one
The
first.
first one is slightly better.
Yeah, I like the
Kick-Ass.
first one.
And it's got Nicolas Cage as well, Kick-Ass.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one hasn't. It's got Jim Carrey instead.
Jim Carrey in here. Yeah. So you can see the difference, guys. We're not telling you yet what's the difference. But it's so nice. It's really nice. I like it because it's
plenty of hard action.
yeah, kick
Lots
ass.
of violence.
Kicking ass.
And a bit of comedy as well.
Yeah, it's comedy.
It's done in a
Yeah,
nice way.
it's done in a nice way. Even though it's like a violence thing, but it's
over the top violence.
yeah, but it's a nice way, and in a funny way. So nice. Hello, baby. What can you say? Say something. Our baby is
It's exploring.
exploring. Ah, you're exploring. Yeah. All right. Okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. This Kick Us 1
Kick us to
and Kick Us 2.
the sequel.
Kicking us. So this is very nice. So okay, guys, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.